Go get our lock.
Oh, I got it.
That's cool, Josh.
Bye, boat.
Say good luck.
Oh, it's going back to shore. I want to see it.
Yes! You won!
Bye.
I should have put it where the curry is. It's that
My
way.
sailing.
It's going that way.
It's not that way.
Really? Yeah. That's blood. No, it's gonna hit the wood thing.
A feather chip. Happy sailing.
I shouldn't have done that. I missed. Look, it's going.
It's going this way.
Yes, come back.
Yeah, the current is pushing it. Look at the current right there.
Yeah.
See that?
My boat is coming back.
It's pushing it.
Oh, dang, I see like a circle right there. Wormhole. Wormhole.
Yeah, yeah.
Where, Josh? Right there. Oh, look at it.
Oh. Oh.
Bye-bye, boat.
Huh?
The boss is not holding it.
Whatever.